Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to zoom in and out of your timeline in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I'm already in a new DaVinci Resolve 18 project, and here on the bottom you can see my timeline. Now of course it's a big timeline and I don't see the end right now. So what you want to do is go here on the minus until now you should see all of your project. Of course, if you want to make small edits, then you can, of course, zoom in, just hit the plus until you see this, and now it's a very big timeline again, how you like it. Of course, you can zoom in and out like this too. Okay, that was a little hack on how to zoom in and out of your timeline in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.